Good morning guys, Kaylee here with Embrace the Adventure, and this is going to be a very fast walk around, very brief, really just a walk around tour of the Hoover RV park. It's connected to a sports complex, as you will, where is it, back there, over there. So we left yesterday, drove for about 5 hours from Gulf Shores, Alabama, and stopped we're near Pelham, Alabama right now. We normally stay at Birmingham South, but they didn't have any room for our rig size. I think the biggest size they had open was like 43 feet, so we couldn't stay, or 39 feet, sorry. So we couldn't stay there, which ended up, I think, being a good thing because it like flash flooded last night, severe thunderstorms. In Birmingham South, like when you pull into it, it's kind of a dip down, and then it's kind of like gravel and grass and just like a normal campground. But I think it would have been pretty flooded. I could be wrong, but this place, it's literally a parking lot. So but it has full hookups, but we were pretty safe from any flash flooding, which was kind of nice. So I'm gonna do just a quick walk around. It's a great halfway point. It's concrete, it's full hookup. Yeah, so let's walk around this Hoover RV park together. So first thing, we stayed in spot 139. It's right over there in the distance. You can see our white truck and our North Point. Pretty easy to pull into. I will say, guys, if you have dogs like mine, when you go to a new campground, it takes them approximately 9 years to find the perfect patch of grass to poop on. So we are on that journey this morning. So what better time to film a tour, right? We pulled in right by that stop sign and that welcome. It's kind of like a little awning with information underneath over here that we'll check out. But that sports complex, you can see it's pretty large. It says the Finley Center right there, and I thought it was pretty nice, especially with the weather last night, that it said there's a big sign that says that big sports center is open for RV stayers during inclement weather. So I know when you stay at most RV parks, you know, they have a bathhouse, they have that safe space for storms or from storms. But you don't always feel the safest. So I will say staying here, he's going pee, good job, Jax. You know, staying in that in a bad storm would definitely make us feel a lot better. So that was pretty cool, I thought. Okay, so this is like the main road right here, and you can see all these spots. They've got the blue signs at the beginning of each row, and it'll tell you, you know, the site number. So that one's 35 through 52. It's pretty self-explanatory. They're all concrete, all full hookup, and our price was $42 for the night. So it was pretty nice because we got here at approximately 7:30 p.m. last night, and we are heading out now. It's 6 a.m. We'll be pulling out by 7. So we didn't eat something for too long, so it was perfect. It was concrete, it was full hookup. It was right at that halfway mark. So that's what you want. I don't know if I'd stay here beyond that. And I will say, you know, if there is an event, like I booked this place kind of by mistake. I didn't realize that it was connected to that sports complex. So if there would have been a sporting event this morning, since we're literally connected to the sports, like arena, sports center, or complex, if you will, it would have been potentially difficult to get out of here. So I don't know if I would do this again, but I mean, check the calendar if there's no event the next day. Definitely a cool place to stop, especially with the price. So, and they do have these doggy cleanup stations. Like I said, full hookups. One of these is at each site, so you can see, you know, you have that separator. It's not a literal parking lot, which makes it feel a little bit more homey and cozy for sure. And we're just walking down this way. Okay, you guys, and so like I said last night, we got here pretty late. It was thunderstorming, and it was dark. So we couldn't see this, but you guys, this is $42 a night, and I'm seeing this for the first time. Look at this splash pad and playground. Are you kidding me? Maybe I would come back here. And it's gated. Look at this. Holy cow. I'm trying to kind of get closer. Hold on. Holy cannoli, look at this. Look at this playground. Look at this. So it's got that squishy floor, so it's nice and soft for your kids to walk on. Look at that playground. And then over there is the big splash pad. Let me try and zoom in. See that? This is $42 for the night. Wow. Okay. Good to know. You can see over there they've got the soccer fields. I mean, it's a sports complex, but with a bang. Wow. Okay, this is kind of a hidden gem. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Come on, Jaxie. Okay. Cool. That was a little surprise. I mean, you guys can see it's like this concrete, you know, I mean, it's nice, it's full of hookups, but it kind of is what it is. But 42 bucks for the night, full hookups. I'm not complaining at all. But you look over there and it's like a, wow, cool. If I would have paid better attention to the website, I think we would have come here a bit earlier so the kids could have enjoyed that. But cool, good to know. So, okay. So you can see, you guys, it's really all pretty self-explanatory. All these sites are the same. But yeah, that playground and splash pad, wow. And then they do have trash cans set out everywhere, kind of around the park. So you just put your trash in those. So that's kind of nice. You're not walking over to a dumpster. You know, your trash isn't sitting outside your rig until, you know, you take it out. So that's kind of a nice thing too. So, I mean, this place is pretty cool, especially 42 bucks per night. Not bad at all. Again, this is Hoover RV Park. I will insert the website down below. Sorry about this being so quick. We're about to hit the road, but I did want to do a quick tour for you guys so you guys could check this out. You guys take a second, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and then I am going to be coming at you this week with a really cool tour of the place we're going next, and that's in Pigeon Forge. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.